Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have watched any of my videos, you probably know a few things about me. I am a part-time reseller. This is just my fun. I love it. I love sourcing. I love mystery boxes. I do live in an area where I am lucky to have several options, tons of thrift stores, the bins, 2 different bins that are very close. But who doesn't love stuff to just show up on their front porch, right? And I love a good mystery. And I always love finding new ways to source items. So I watch a lot of YouTube videos of other resellers, and I came across a website called BULQ. And I want to start by saying this is not sponsored. You know, some of my other videos, I did get some boxes to try out. I paid 100% for this box. Haven't talked to anyone at the company. So what's cool about this company is a lot of people are not fans of mystery. You know, maybe you don't have the expendable income to just like take a chance and get lucky, or you just don't like mysteries. So I'm going to do a screen share and show you guys this website and why I chose what I chose to order. There are tons of options if you want to spend a little bit of money, a whole lot of money, and let's just dig into it. I also like ordering from companies and then sharing with you guys, because I will tell you, I ordered this box last week, like on Wednesday, and today is Tuesday. And it already arrived. I know some companies, when you're ordering bulk and such, it takes forever to get your items. So not this company. So let's jump in and do a screen share. All right, so this is, let me move this out of the way. This is the website, okay? I just went, if you just go to bulq.com, B-U-L-Q, you're gonna come up to this screen. I just click source now. And I will tell you that pallets are expensive. The shipping is several $100s. So you can look into that if you like. We're going to just click on case. And I'm going to sort up here by price low to high. And what I like is you can like things, okay? Like you can watch certain things. Here's why I like this company, because it's manifested inventory for the most part. So you can choose by categories if you want clothing, you want bedding, and you can look and see exactly what you're going to get. So this is uninspected returns. It tells you it's 18 items, 29 pounds. It's even going to give you a total of $4. This is 18 items, $4.11 an item. Now, I did my breakdown because I like to include the taxes and all of that and truly get a breakdown per item. But it's $30 ground shipping for all of their boxes, which is a little expensive, but in the grand scheme of things, you know, $74. And here's the thing, you can scroll down, and this is your manifested, this is what you're getting, your manifest. Now, here's kind of why I like it, because I also like a little bit of mystery. So this one, you're gonna get an unknown piece of Target furniture and some unknown general merchandise, those 2 items. But what's cool is that you can click these, and you can get your stock images. You can also copy and paste this into another browser, and you can see how much it was going for. Some of these items, if you look over here, what I have found, and these are all from Target or Amazon. So look, this item right here is currently selling for $17 over on Amazon. I mean, and you're only paying $74 for this box. So when I was going through and looking for a box to choose, I probably spent, I'm not going to tell you how many hours I spent because I had nothing better to do that night. But you can add up the retail value of your box. I mean, they tell you the retail value, but I want to really know, you know, I want to see it for myself. So I have pulled up, it says out of stock, because this is what I purchased, okay? This has got some various items, some Cat and Jack items. It says the retail was $263. Now, I did go through, it's 24 items of uninspected returns. So the reason I chose this box was because there are a few items that I need and want. For example, let's call out my son. He's in need of some new underwear, okay? So I pulled these up. This is absolutely something that I would buy for myself on Amazon. $12. Well, it even gives you the sizes that you're getting. Yeah, 12 bucks for a 4-pack of underwear, and it tells you that it's coming with 2 of them. So 24 bucks already is something I would have personally spent and purchased out of this lot was $52 plus $30 shipping. Okay, so I went through all of these items. There's a few other things that I know for sure we will use, and I'm going to open the box with you and show you. But I've got mixed non-shoe apparel accessories. So 9 of those, I don't know what they are. And then 2 more items, just unknown Target general merchandise. So out of my 24 items, 11 of them, I don't know what they are, but I felt that for the ones that I did know, it was worth me spending $84.46. So that, you know, is 84 bucks for 24 items, okay? So let's dig in. I wanted to just show you guys because the website's super easy to use. Anyone can order them. You just have to create a little account. It took me 2 seconds. Okay, so this box just got delivered to my front door. Here it is. Ta-da! Okay, so I'm gonna come back and sit right here. And I did print out the manifest. Excuse my very messy office. So hopefully I'm gonna have my 24 items, and I didn't write it on here. It makes it $352 an item is what the breakdown was. I didn't write that on here, but so uninspected returns, which tells me there could be some flaws, there could be some missing tags. I don't know. All right, this I knew was going to be in here. This is Threshold, which is a Target. It is a hand towel, and this is the exact color of towels that I have from Target in my guest bathroom. I knew this was in here. This is something I need and would buy for myself, and definitely worth, what did I tell you? $350? Yes, that's probably what around what these cost to Target anyway. So that's kind of how I went into this, just to see the whole process. Same with these. These are room essentials. This is a 6-pack of washcloths. I don't really care what color our washcloths are because my kids use them in the bathtub. So this was something I felt I could use. Obviously, the goal is to resell some of this stuff. Like this I knew was in here, this cute little romper. This is Just One You. And it's cute. I don't know what this tag is. It's got like a barcode and right here. So I don't know, maybe this came from Amazon, but something like this doesn't hold a lot of resale value, but I have a whole lot of pregnant friends and I keep like a baby shower bin. So, all right. I'm curious to see what my extras are. Like, let me see. I think this is one of them. I didn't know about this. So this is the Isabel. These stickers come off very easily. The maternity line, which I love. This is super cute. Doesn't have the tags on it, but I will definitely be able to sell this. I loved their maternity clothes. These, because I think the only, I knew about a couple of, like that onesie wasn't on here, actually. So I should have 9 mixed clothing items. So I think this is another one of them. Wild Fable, extra small. Some joggers. Wish those were my size, but those are sellable. Okay, here's, I knew this was in here. I knew I could sell this. It is the Star Wars Darth Vader, and I did write, so let's see, that hand towel actually is $7 right now if I went to Target and bought it. And the washcloths are $2.75. So adding those two together, I still come in under that around that $3.50 mark. This guy is a Star Wars Darth Vader knit pillow buddy, and he goes for $16.99 right now at Target. So I knew I could sell him. He's pretty cool if you're a Star Wars fan. All right, I knew these were in here. There is, these are $9.50. It is an open package, but these are camisoles, little girl camisoles to wear like under sweaters. And these will be my daughter's size by the time winter rolls around again for us here in Florida, which is now many months away. But I will hang on to those. But I mean, things like this, what's cool about this website is even if you're not a reseller, I know I've got people that watch my channel that are just friends and family. This is a great website to check out if you're needing things like underwear or whatever. Now you'll have to take some time to dig through the categories, but I don't know. I just think it's kind of fun. All right, what is this? This is something I don't know. Zelda 2-piece pajama with socks. So here's the socks. And this is a size large, 10-12. So it looks just like I just see the top, the pajama top and socks. So I don't see bottoms for that. that was one of my 9 that I didn't know. Same for these are some like men's dress pants, no women's. A New Day size 6. So these are my size, but I don't have a need for dress pants. They feel very, very nice quality. Oh yes, there was 2 of these. I'm like, I already saw him. There was 2 of these Star Wars guys, so I will definitely sell those. Okay, I did know there was a threshold diamond weave window panel. There's a lot of curtains, so if you need curtains, go on this website. My box only had 1. Some of the boxes have a ton, but these I thought were really nice. They're just a threshold curtain, and they go for $25. The box, like, it's obviously it can just be folded back up, but we actually have a need for a curtain right now, so this is very neutral. So actually never bought curtains. We've always had plantation shutters. So I thought that was a good buy. So I mean, I spent $52 without the $30 shipping. So just with those curtains and, you know, a couple of these items already, that's already the retail, you know. Okay, this is a Cat and Jack, which is just one of the other 9 items. This is size extra large, which is a 16. Just a camo, cozy inside hoodie. This, I knew this was, there was one piece of clothing that was on here. This is the kids quilted puffer jacket, right? No, this is not. I see that puffer jacket. This is just another kid's jacket. Size small, 6'7". Just a really nice, I love Cat and Jack, y'all. And Cat and Jack will resell. So I actually, when the doorbell rang that I had a delivery, I'm sorting out my to-list inventory. I will not even tell you how many bins I have, but I have a bin of jackets that are now going to be stowed away until this fall. So I'm fine holding on to this. I have the room. Okay, I knew that there was a 5-pack of clothes hangers. You can always use clothes hangers, and these retail for $6. Remember, I paid $3.52 when I include the processing fee, shipping, which was $2.46. But all right, this was not listed. Another Cat and Jack. This is a nice puffer jacket. So, and it still has where they had the tag on it. It just doesn't have the actual tags. So I'm happy with all these jackets. I would rather because I wasn't sure, mixed non-shoe apparel accessories. I thought that I was going to get like some really cheapy necklaces or something. I don't know, but I'm thrilled with that. So this is the one I knew about. This is actually, oh, it does have the tags. It's a medium, retails for $25, and I will definitely be able to sell this, but I knew this was going to be my son's size for this coming winter, so that's another reason I went with this, just because I knew I could use this. Okay, this is something general merchandise, so this is one of them. Hey, this is useful though. We do use, what is this? A dustpan. So worth $3.50? Probably not, but all right. So the thing that caught my eye when buying this, because I was on the hunt for new boxers for my kid, I'm totally putting on blast. But these are like that, like sports, athletic, ultra cool softness. So again, buying these 2 from Amazon, also to be delivered to my front door, would have been $24, which is half the cost of what I paid for this box. So I think that's a great deal. He will really like those. All right, some Cat and Jack 4T little sparkly leggings. What are you? I don't know what this is. This must be one of the other, there was 2 general unknown merchandise items. What is this? Oversized stripe run by, oh, this is Hearth and Hand Magnolia. That's nice. Oh, it's a table runner, and it actually matches my decor. So this might find its way out there on my dining room table. So that's nice. So I don't know how much this retailed for because it wasn't on the manifest. It was just one of the mystery items. Okay. This I knew was here. This is a men's Mickey long sleeve graphic tee, and it retails for $14.99. It's my husband's size, so I thought that was cool. We go to Disney a lot, and I thought he would like this. It's just a fun long sleeve t-shirt. So, okay. Getting down to the end. Thanks for hanging with me. This is, I knew this retails for $8.99. Yep, I knew this is on the list. It's just a little skater dress, brand new with the tags. So I will definitely be able to sell this and recoup the $3.50, $3.52 or whatever it was. And these, I knew these were in here, and these, I'm excited, they're my daughter's size. These are art class, and they retail for $12.99. And this is something that I would have bought her. So these Moto leggings. And it looks like that's it. So let's see. I should have 24 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Yep. So overall, like I said, I spent $84.46. Now, keep in mind that some of this stuff is things that I needed for myself. So in my mind, I'm going to subtract out the boxers because that was the one thing I actually sat down that night. Hey, I need to buy my kids some boxers. And so I'm going to subtract out the $24 from that because I would have bought these on Amazon for that and kind of figure out my cost of goods. And will I use BULQ again? Sure. Take the time to go through their website. There's some really cool stuff on there. And if you live closer to their destinations, I think this came from Lebanon, Tennessee, something like that. You got to put in your address and it will tell you the various shipping costs and all of that. So for me, all the ground shipping shows up as $30. So I'm assuming it will be that for you as well. So maybe you can find yourself some cool things. If you're not, you like a little bit of mystery, but not a lot of mystery. Some of the cases have more mystery items than others. You can always see a picture. There's one picture that you can see what's in them. And there's some really cool stuff. So whether you're selling electronics or bedding or curtains, I know on eBay there's a huge market for curtains, especially, oh, something's making me itchy. They've got a lot of these Hearth and Hands, the Magnolia line, and people are needing spares and they're no longer in the store. So take some time over on that website. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I paid full price for this box. This is my own personal opinions. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and I'll be back. I don't know what my next video is going to be. What do I have coming? A thread up men's box. I did order another one because I've had one good one and one bad one. And so what's number 3 going to be? All right, guys, have a wonderful day and I'll see you next time.